cat say? What does a monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What does a fish say? What does a say? Woof, woof. What does a say? Where is your nose? Nose. Nose. Where's your mouth? There's your mouth. Where are your ears? Ears. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Where are your eyes? Eyes. Good girl. High five. High five. Can I have a hug? And can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at Daddy. Say bye, Daddy.